National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Cook County in northeast Illinois, East Central DeKalb County in north central Illinois, DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, northeastern Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeast Illinois until 6:45 p.m. At 5:37 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Wilmette Harbor to Schaumburg, New Hampshire, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Park Ridge, Elgin, Roselle, Rosemont, Dover Airport, Monmouth Heights, Addison, Franklin Park, Montrose Harbor, Elmhurst, Villa Park, River Forest, Carroll Street, Oak Park, Maywood, Lombard, Forest Park, Navy Pier, and Westchester. This includes the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Argonne National Laboratory, Berkeley University, Benedictine University, Brookfield College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.